Hello, I am Jahangir Alam. I am a physics teacher. Today I am going to discuss about some important parameters of waves. Number one, a complete wave. The vibrating particle is starting from one point. If come back to the same point from the same direction, then it is called a complete wave. Here, the horizontal axis is the equilibrium position of the vibrating particle. When a vibrating particle, say O, moves upward and reaches at the maximum highest point and come back to the equilibrium position, and again it goes downwards and reaches to the maximum negative position and come back to the equilibrium position again, then it is a complete wave. So remember, the vibrating particle starting from one point, if come back to the same point from the same direction, then it is called a complete wave. Second parameter, time period. The time required by a vibrating particle to make a complete vibration is called time period of the particle. Time period is denoted by capital T. The SI unit of time period is second. Here, say from the equilibrium position, the time required to reaches at the maximum highest point is 0.1 second. Again, this vibrating particle come back to the same point equilibrium position after 0.2 second. Again, it moves downwards and reaches to the maximum highest point 0.3 second, and then it moves upward and goes to the equilibrium position after 0.4 second. Then this 0.4 second is the time period of this wave. So time period T equals to 0.4 second for this wave.